In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents for Exness verification. To get started, go to the Exness login page and sign in to your personal area. This is where you'll manage your account details and complete the verification process. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before moving forward, since all of your verification documents will be linked to that profile. Once you're inside your personal area, click on Profile. This is the section where your personal information and verification status are stored. If you haven't completed verification yet, you should see prompts or notices guiding you to the next required actions. From there, begin the verification process by opening the verification section and completing the required verification steps. Exnes uses this process to confirm your identity and address, which helps protect your account and maintain security standards. Take your time here and read each instruction carefully so you don't have to resubmit documents later. Next, enter your exact full name, date of birth, and residential address exactly as they appear on your official documents. This part is very important. Even small differences like abbreviations, missing middle names, or formatting changes can sometimes cause delays. The goal is to make sure the information in your account matches your documents as closely as possible. After that, upload a clear, uncropped photo or scan of your proof of identity. You can use a passport, driver's license, or national ID card, depending on what Exness accepts in your region. Make sure the image is sharp, well lit, and easy to read. All four corners of the document should be visible and nothing should be cut off, blurred, or covered. If you're taking a photo with your phone, placing the document on a flat surface in good lighting can help improve the result. Next, upload a recent document that shows your residential address. This step is used to confirm where you live. So the document should clearly display your name and address and should be recent enough to meet the platform's requirements. Before uploading, double check that the text is readable and that the image is complete. Finally, Exness may ask you to complete a quick 3D face scan to match your face with the ID you provided. This is an extra security step designed to verify that the documents belong to you. If this appears, follow the on-screen instructions carefully, keep your face well lit, and try to hold your device steady during the scan. Once everything is submitted, all that's left is to wait for the review. Make sure each upload is clear and accurate, and you'll give yourself the best chance of a smooth verification process.